Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2012 Chevy Equinox. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and comment below? It really helps out a lot. First thing we're going to do is get in our vehicle and start it up. And then we're going to turn on our AC, turn it all the way to the coldest setting, and then turn our blower speed all the way up. Then you're going to pop your hood and we'll go under the hood. I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can get a recharge hose, coolant and stuff. That's in the description below if you want to check it out. Alright, now under the hood here, this right here is your low pressure port cap. So we're going to take that off and put it in a safe location. And then you're going to push your recharge hose on there. Just basically push it on like that. We're attached. Look here. We are in the good spot here. We're in the green, but we're going to try to bump it up a little bit, get a little bit colder AC. So we're just going to squeeze the trigger, oscillate the can between 3 and 12 degrees every few seconds. This just allows the AC system on the car to draw in that coolant. We'll just check where it's at. We're up a little bit. Just keep adding a little bit more. I'm going to keep adding here till I get to a little bit higher on the green side, probably a little closer to that 40 number. But I think you get the idea. If this video is helpful to you, you smash that thumbs up button and comment below. It's very helpful. And have a good one.